Did you know you can harness solar power to pump water from your water pan to your farm? Solar-powered pumps are an economically friendly and cost-effective solution for your irrigation, especially in remote areas with limited access to electricity. When you install such a solar pump, you can utilize the abundant sunlight, consistent water supply for your crops. This system reduces dependence on rain and traditional fuels, lowering your operational costs and also minimizing environmental impact. So with solar power, you can efficiently irrigate your farm, enhance crop growth and productivity while contributing to sustainable farming practices. So make sure you invest in solar pumping technology to make your farm more resilient and profitable.